5-inch, 130mm blade length, 1.2 mm blade thickness. 8.5 teeth per inch, 10 teeth per 30 mm, medium teeth configuration, cut capacity 2.6. Hard chrome-plated taper ground with impulse-hardened non-set tooth design. Limited lifetime warranty against defects in material and workmanship. Warning: beware of thinner, non-professional blades that are made for the Japanese market only. If your blade doesn't have the word professional etched into it, please report the seller to Amazon. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. 6.5 blade for Silky Pocket Boy saws. Hard chrome plated, taper ground and impulse hardened. Hang packaged. Top reviews from the United States. OEM part. My previous blade was ruined in a few short strokes when I was cutting a branch and hit a jacketed bullet where someone shot the tree. The replacement was a genuine part and I am happy with it.